Great, everybody. It's the long weekend for May, and we decided to hike. And actually, this is kind of my first hike, and we decided to go to the Grassi mountain. So apparently, this is in Canmore, and we hiked for a good 30 minutes. It wasn't too bad, but I'd like to show you how it looks like. And this is actually my new phone, so this is the end of the hike. Pretty cool. Look at the water. Bloody clear. And people are really kind of practicing social distancing here. And that's another. So I'm not sure what's in here. It might be another like lake or a pond. So let's go up here. And yeah, it is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the mountain. This is, and the water was crystal clear. It's so pristine. Look at that. Gorgeous. We keep on walking, walking and walking. Can you see the mirroring of the mountain, the rock formation on the water? It is absolutely breathtaking. It's gorgeous, right? Okay, so I'll see you guys and enjoy watching. Bye for now.